Welcome to qnawire.
Here in this problem we have to find the final temperature to mixture, and the mixture is of ice whose mass is given as mass of ice is 75 gram. If we convert into kgs we'll get 0.075 kg, and it is at initial the temperature of ice is 0 degree Celsius, and it is mixed with mass of water whose mass is given as 825 gram. If we convert it into kgs we'll get 0.825 kg, and its initial temperature of water, it's 25 degrees Celsius. So now we have to calculate the final temperature. So to calculate the final temperature we can apply the first law of thermodynamics, and according to that we can write that Q of cold will be equals to Q of hot, but it should be negative sign here because the amount of heat lost by the water will be the heat gained by the ice. So the amount of heat gained by ice will be equals to mass of ice times the latent heat of fusion for ice plus mass of ice times the specific heat of water times the final temperature minus the initial temperature of ice, which is 0 degree Celsius, and it will be equals to minus of mass of water times the specific heat of water times the T final minus initial temperature of water is 25 degrees Celsius. Now we can plug all the values here. So mass of ice is 0.075 kg, and the latent heat of ice is 3.33 times 10 to the power 5 joule per kg, plus mass of ice is already given 0.075 kg times the specific heat of water, we know it's 4186 joule per kg degree Celsius, times the change in temperature. So T final minus 0 degree Celsius, so we can directly write T final, and it will be equals to mass of water. So let me write here, mass of water is 0.825 kg times the specific heat of water is 4186 joule per kg degree Celsius times the change in temperature, that means T final minus 25 degrees Celsius. From here we can calculate the value of T final, and it comes out to be as T final equals to 16.3 degrees Celsius. So this is the final answer that we have obtained, that the final temperature of the mixture will be 16.3.